talk about a lot. We are going to talk about Bitcoin. I'm going to analyze Bitcoin here, right? And I will show you guys where Bitcoin is going to face, where Bitcoin is going to go next. It is very important for you guys to understand this. Anybody that did not understand this, or don't want to understand this, or did not agree to this, with time you are going to agree to this. The reason I'm saying that is because a lot of people don't, but I can tell you that this is really possible. Right, so before I proceed, I partner with some exchanges which will benefit, my followers will benefit from it, right? That is by trading. So kucoin is there. If you, my kucoin link is in the comment section below. If you register with my code, you are going to be getting bonus, right? If you're trading, you're gonna be getting some bonus, and so it's a win-win situation. So you winning, I'm winning, right? So kucoin is there. Kucoin is a very good platform. They have different events every time. They are listing different new coins or token on the exchange. They have events whereby people can benefit from it, where people, please don't disturb me, where people can benefit from it, right? So you can participate in that, right? So thank you. Let's proceed. So yesterday I was analyzing coin, and I say that some people think some people were actually doubting my analysis, that it's not going to happen. What I say is not going to happen, but everything happens. Like, what I mean is, everybody will know. I'm sorry, I'm trying to share this link so that other people will also join this, right? So sorry, I'm coming. Let me share this link. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hold on. Right. So everything is going to happen. My analysis yesterday was Bitcoin is going to drop down to this level. Bitcoin is going to drop down to this. Let me show you. This was my analysis, and I see some people arguing that it is not possible. But I'm here to tell you that it is possible, which is $59,000 between $71,000 to $58,000 to $59,000. This is where Bitcoin is going to drop to. Nothing is going to change from this thing that I'm telling you. There is one thing that a lot of people don't understand. They don't understand that technical analysis is analyzing the previous market and predicting the future. And one thing about technical analysis is what happened previously, 90% repeat or 99% repeat in the future. So when we analyzing, when the market is moving, we are calculating figures. Now, figures leave traces. Figures leave traces. Let me type it. Figures leave traces. Figures leave traces. Figures leave traces. Let me bold this so that you guys will see. Because this is a class that a lot of people don't know. Like, you will not get this class from people. But I'm like, some people are giving these courses for, collecting money. But I'm actually giving you guys these courses for free, right? So you need to understand that figures leave traces. What do I mean by figures leave traces? I mean, thank God, just thank God. You guys should just thank God for yourselves, because they just give me light now, so this live session will take time, right? And if you are here, stay tuned, because you are going to learn a lot. You are going to learn what you have not learned since you have been trading, right? Right? So figures leave traces. Let me type this. Let me even type this on my status so that I will not forget this, because I think I'm going to record this on my this thing. Figures leave traces. Figures leave traces in the financial space. In the financial space. Figures leave traces. Let me drop it. Yeah. Figures leave traces. Why do I mean by figures leave traces? This is figures. The amount of this you see here, Bitcoin move from this is the price of Bitcoin, right? The current price of Bitcoin, $121,000. This is figures, right? Now, this is traces. The candlestick you see here is the traces of these figures, right? So, when the market, what we do in technical analysis is we analyze what happened previously to predict what is going to happen in the future. And what do we analyze? We are analyzing figures, right? It's figures we are actually analyzing, but we are using the traces of the figures to analyze what is going to happen in the future. If you are following me and you are understanding this, please let me know in the comment section, right? If you understand this, let me know in the comment section below. If you are following, please. Hello, welcome. If you are following me, if you understand what I'm saying, please let me know in the comment section. You can just say hi or anything. Just say something, right? Just say something. So let's continue. So why do I say Bitcoin is going to drop down to 71,000 to $58,000? Now let's go on a higher time frame so that you will understand what I'm talking about. We are on 1 month time frame, right? Or let me just open another. Let me open another chart. Let me open another chart. You join my live and you have not understand. What do you not understand? Let me know what you don't understand so that we explain. Let's BTC. Let's open another chart, right? So that we're using the other one. Let's check if okay, yeah. So let's go. We are going on 1 hour. Is this Bitcoin? Okay, yeah. Oh, what is this? Wait, BTC. Let's choose another exchange.
Can y'all please pretend I'm famous?
Let's choose another exchange, right? Hold on. Let's choose another exchange. Let me check Binance Sports. Yeah. Now let's go on higher time frame so that we'll explain what I mean by figures leave traces, and then I will explain why I said that Bitcoin is going to drop down to $71,000 to $51,000, right? Now let's go back here. Let's first start on higher time frame. This is top-down analysis, right? Top-down analysis. Oh, hold on. right? Right? Okay. Yeah, let's go. Um so we are on 1 hour time frame, I mean 1 year time frame, right? Now when you want to analyze the market, please off this candlestick, I mean all this week. How do you off it? Go to line chart here. Go to line charts, please. Go to line chart here, right? And to candlestick chart and change it to line chart. When you change it to line chart, this is how everything in the market is going to show. So you are to mark this. You have to mark the down line here, the bottom of the market, and then you are to mark the upper, which is the current price of movement of it. Oh my gosh. Just mark it. Right? And then mark the current one, mark the one in the middle. Right? So, okay. Yeah. Chat me on Twitter. Chat me on Twitter. Chat me on Twitter, please. I'll show you my Twitter. So, but if you want me to give you my WhatsApp number, then yeah, I'll give you my WhatsApp number. If you want my WhatsApp number, just let me know in the comment section. I'll call it for you. You type, then you chat me. So you mark this. You mark this. This is top-down analysis. Why do I off this candles that the wick? Because I don't want distraction. The wick, that rejection is just that, those weak candlestick is just rejection, that the market is not going to go that way. So what you need to deal with, you need to deal with the bigger candle. So if I on this, turn this to candlestick now, you will see that this line that I draw here will stay on the body of the candlestick. So let's do that. Do you see? The line they are staying on the body of the candlestick. Look at them. Staying on the body of the candlestick, leaving the wick here. So we are actually telling that the wick is just noise. What wick is doing is just noise. So you don't really need it. Do you understand? You don't really need it, right? So guys, yeah, my kucoin link is there. You can use it. Use kucoin to register, and you're going to get bonus if you're using my link. Yeah, that's the partnership I have with with them. If any of my followers use my link to register, they are going to be getting bonus, right? So you are going to be getting a welcome bonus if you use my kucoin link, register on it, and trade and continue trading on it, both trading on futures and sports. Right, let's continue. Right, so what we are going to do is we are on yearly time frame. So it means that this candlestick, it takes 1 year for the candlestick to form complete. So we are having how many years here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years. This is 8 years we are having here, right? This is 8 years. Now, we are now going to start separating this from a smaller time frame, because we have gotten this. We have gotten where Bitcoin started, and we are gotten where Bitcoin moved to, and we are just getting all the key levels of Bitcoin, right? So from here we are going to mark this, because you need to figure out key levels. What is key level? Other people call it demand and supply. Okay, for the person that want to get my contact, my WhatsApp contact, pay attention. I'm calling it now so that you will type it. I don't want to write it here. Yeah, so my contact is, I don't know whether you're in Nigeria, but if you are not in Nigeria, you can just add plus 234, right? I think it's 234. Yeah, our country code. I need to know our country code. Yeah, So are you a Nigerian? If you're a Nigerian, just 090 29 21 7578, right? 090. But if you are not a Nigerian, you write plus 234 and then 90 29 21 75 78. All right. So I hope you written the number down, so you can just chat me on WhatsApp. Then you explain what you don't understand. I'll explain to you more there. Right. So thank you. I'll call the number again: 090 29 21 7578. Yeah, that's it. Right. So it take 1 year for the candlestick to form because we are on 12 months time frame. So we are trying to figure out key levels. Key levels, other people call it, key levels simply means demand and supply, right? And it can be zone, it can be resistance and support, right? So that is my own strategy of trading. I trade key levels. I target where the key level is, and then I get in the market there. And I can say that everybody trade key level indirectly or without them knowing, but they can just call other different strategy that, okay, this is my strategy, this is my strategy. But at the end of the day, everybody fall into that direction of demand and supply, right? So here we are going to mark this. We are going to mark this because here is a zone in between this $92 to $122,000, $121,000, which is the current price of Bitcoin, is a zone. So this place here is a zone where the body of the candlestick end, and then this place here is also a zone. It's a key level. I mean, it's a key level. This is what we call zone. Sorry, not a zone, but key level. This is what we call zone. In between this line and this line is a zone. Is what we call zone, right? So, but this here, where the candlestick end and start, is a key level. Where the candlestick end and start is a key level. Where the candlestick starts, come here, is a key level. So what we're going to do is we will start reducing it to 1 to 6 months time frame. Let's go to 6 month time frame. We check if there's any difference here, right? Then if there are places here that we can mark, we mark, right? So from here, this is another key level we are going to mark here. So we are going to mark here, right? We mark here. Why do we mark here? And why do I say this place is a key level? Because this is a higher time frame, but we see a touch here. When the market start dropping down here, it start reversing here. It consolidates here for good 6 months. For good 6 months, this candlestick was consolidating. And then when the candlestick closed here, another candlestick open. And the second candlestick to open was a bullish candlestick. And all of this, the market dropped down to $19,000 and then consolidate at $19,000 again for 6 months. And then within that period, then at that next 6 months, the market, another candlestick open and open bullish. Closing it, it closed bullish. And do what? Come up again. When it come up again, what happened? It reject here, respecting this key level. The reason why this candlestick reject here, did not break out here, was because it respect this thing here is a key level. It need to respect it. That's the reason why I say I trade key level. It need to respect it. Then another candlestick, another bullish candlestick form again, and this bullish candlestick did what? Break out. When it break out from $46,000 and it come all the way to $73,000. Another candlestick open bullish, open bearish, coming down here to do what? Coming down here, come down to what? To $48,000. Remember, this candlestick come up to $75,000, $73,000. This is it, $73,000. But it closed at $72,000. It opened another candlestick and opened it open a bearish candlestick and then drop down to $48,000. But guess what? From here it rejects. That is not going to rise, continue dropping again. Why does it reject? It rejects because it's respecting this key level. This is a key level. This is a key level. You need to respect it, right? So when it respects it here, it's close what? Bullish. And then it break out here. When it break out, another candlestick form. Reject, come down, but when it closing, it close up this, respecting this, and it's open bullish again. We are going to go more. If you understand it, if you following this and understand it, let me know. What I just explained here, if you understand, let me know. If you don't understand, I'm going to explain more. But if you understand, we'll continue moving forward. Before you explain, you type, make sure you are make sure you register with my kucoin link, because you're gonna be getting some bonus, right? So let's continue. If you have any question, ask. So from here, we are going to move to a smaller time frame again. Why am I making this? Why am I doing this analysis? I'm making this analysis to show you that figures leave traces, and traces is a chart. Traces is a chart. The traces, what I mean by figures leave traces, is the chart. Figures is the amount of Bitcoin is recording, right? And then traces is a chart. So we use traces to analyze the figures, the movement of the figures. That is what I mean, right? So you learn something today. Like I said, this analysis, see, this class, you are going to learn, like what you are learning here, I'm very, very sure they have not tell you. Like you have not learned from another person. Because I'm this type of person that I have unique teaching. Like my teachings are always on in this space. They are always, nobody needs to tell me. Some people say this guy is bragging, but I brag with results, right? I'll be showing you guys everything will be playing out. All my analysis I will analyze, and I'll analyze posts on my CMC. Go to my CMC, you see my analysis, you see my post, my coin market cap, right? Just search for Tim Henry Digital World, right? You are going to see me there on CMC. You meet my analysis there. I do my analysis, I drop my analysis, and then they later play out. So I'm now this type of person that when the market happen, I will not say I analyze this without showing proof. No, I do analyze and I drop that this is what is gonna happen, and everything it happens like that. So yeah. So here we are going on 3-month time frame. Remember, here is on 6-month time frame. We are going on 3-month time frame, right? So we're going on 3-month time frame. Coming on 3-month time frame here, we, see, I want to let you, the reason, one of the reasons why I'm analyzing breaking this is I just want to spend like 50 minutes here. I just hope that I cover everything within that 50 minutes, because I have something else to do. The reason why I'm analyzing I'm taking my time to do this is because to give you this deep teaching is because, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are here new, right? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can go and follow me on other of my social media platforms. It's because I said Bitcoin is going to drop down to $71,000 to $59,000, right? That's the reason why I'm giving you guys this deep analysis. So we come now on smaller, on 3 hours time frame, on the what they call, 3-month time frame, right? 3-month time frame. So we are going to come down here. I'm going to pay more attention to explain something here. If I have just few people on this live, but as far as those few people learn something new, learn something for me, and then use it for their benefit, I'll be very, very okay, right? So this is going to be deep. We are going to add another line here, which is here, this place at $71,000. Remember, I said that Bitcoin is going to drop down to $71,000, between $71,000 to $59,000. Look at the $59,000 that I talk about. Look at it here. This is it. Let me mark it. Come here. Mark it. This is $51,000. Right? Where I say Bitcoin is going to drop. Let me check this line, whether this one will work more better. Let me check this. If this will work more better. Okay. Okay. So Bitcoin will drop down. I said Bitcoin is going to drop down to $71,000 to $59,000. Let me mark those key levels. I'm not saying now, but I'm saying in future, in the bear market. And for me, I'm selling my bags December 10. I'm selling my bag. If you like, let Bitcoin move to $200,000. I don't care. All I know is it's going to drop down to $71,000 to $59,000. That is all I know, and this is going to happen. You can record this. The reason why I can confidently say this is because I've already tracked the future. I've already checked the traces that Bitcoin has left for the past how many years. History is repeating itself. History is repeating itself, so history can easily repeat itself again. The fact that more individuals and more organizations adopt crypto is still going to repeat, because as more individuals and organizations adapting are coming into crypto, politics is still going to come into crypto, right? You need to understand fundamental analysis too. So $59,000, 59K, I'm gonna put here. This is where I say Bitcoin is going to drop later, right? 59K, and I say that it's going to drop down to, wait, hold on, I'm going to mark this place. These are major key level that I seriously I so much love, and I'm going to mark them, right? So the lines that I'm drawing here are going to be different, like completely different. So here I said Bitcoin is dropping down to 71K. Yeah, 71K. So here too, I'm marking this. I'm going to fix that in there. I'm going to fix it in. Is it inside? Wait, hold on. I'm going to fix it in. Fix it in, right? So here I'm gonna fix it into. That is, yeah, that is it. Wait, hold on. I will reduce it to 20. Yeah. To 20. Yeah. So Bitcoin is dropping down between $71,000 to $51,000 because of how history, what history has been, how history has been repeating in the crypto space. So now let me give you traces. Please carry your calculator. Carry your calculator. I want to show you something here. Hold your calculator. I'm here with my calculator too. Or should I just use this thing? Oh, wait, hold on. Someone just sent me a message. I really don't want distraction at this point. Oh my gosh, I'm not using my headphone. Okay. Oh. So, carry your calculator, please. So, let's start these traces. Please pay attention. Look at here. Look at this place here. Look at the first candlestick here. This was October. This was 1st of October 2018. Bitcoin was at price of $3,000. Look at it. Bitcoin was at price of $3,500,000. I'm not going to put all these $50 there. Then Bitcoin moved from $3,000 to what? To $13,000. Look at it. To $13,000. Now, from $3,000, 500 naira. See, from $3,000, $500 to $13,500. $590. That is how much profit. That is $10,000 profit. So it means that if you use $3,000 to buy Bitcoin as of the 1st of October 2018, then 1st of April 2019, you'll be making $13,500. Please pay attention. Now, that same Bitcoin dropped down again to what? Dropped down again to what? On 1st of January 2020, Bitcoin dropped down to $3,900. Look at it. See, wait. Look at it. Let me zoom this thing so that you see. Look at it. This is it. $3,700. Right? $3,700. Oh my God. Wait. Yeah. Pay attention. I want to show you the reason why. I want to show you what I mean by figures leave traces. Figures leave traces. I want to show you what I mean by that. So, Bitcoin drop from 13,900 down to what? Down to $3,700. But remember, we bought Bitcoin at $3,000 here in 2018. In 2018, Bitcoin moved from $3,000 to what? $3,500 to $13,500, giving you a profit of $10,000. And then that same Bitcoin again dropped down. This was what? See, this was October 2018, right? Now it moved to that 13,000. Then now, in 1st of January 2019, Bitcoin dropped down to $3,700. So from 2018, it moved inside of 2018. Yeah, from 2018 in 2019, it moved from 2018 from $3,000 to $13,000 in 2018. Then in 2019, it was in that it was still in that $13,000, right? Now, in 2020, Bitcoin dropped down to $3,700. Remember, in 2018 was $3,000. Please pay attention. Remember, in 2013, it was $3,000. Then in 2020, it was what? It now dropped down to $3,000 again. After it moved from 2018, after it moved in 2018 from $3,000 to $13,000. Then in 2020, Bitcoin dropped down to $3,700. So if you're calculating from 2018, 2019, 2020, right? 2020, that is 3 years. Something that moved within these 3 years, this thing are moved from $3,000 in 2018, $3,000 to $13,000. And then the next 3 years, then it now dropped back to $13,000 again. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like, if you understand, let me know. If you don't understand, I will explain, because it sounds complicated. But I'm trying to break it down so that you will understand. Right? So that you understand the reason why I say that this Bitcoin is going to drop down to that $53,000. Now, from here again, from that 2020 that it dropped to $3,000 again, Bitcoin started moving again. Creating bullish again, and then it moved off from that 2020. It now moved again in 2021 from $3,000 to $62,000. Bro, pay attention. Something that moved from $2,000 in 2020, from $3,000 in 2020, moved to $62,000. Look at it, to $62,000 here. When it started dropping, it dropped back to what? It dropped back to $28,000. From $28,000, it moved again. In what? It moved again. Sorry. It moved again to $68,000. From $68,000, it dropped back to what? It dropped back to what? To $17,000 in 2022. Look at it, in 2022. So it moved from 2020 from $3,000 to what? To 60 something thousand dollars. And it dropped from that 60 something thousand dollars down to $17,000. How much is Bitcoin losing? How much is Bitcoin losing? So when you calculate this, you will discover that the way Bitcoin move, the way Bitcoin move, that is the same way Bitcoin drop. And not only in Bitcoin, but crypto market in general. The way they move, that is the same way they drop. So you can't say that because Bitcoin moved now to 13 to $120,000, $130,000, $135,000, then Bitcoin cannot drop back to 50 something thousand dollars again. You are just it means that you don't know what you are doing in this crypto space. Or it means that you don't understand technical analysis. You are not analyzing the market. You are just up after trend. You just, you are just doing the market blindly. Like you just trade whatever comes your way. You make profits and you don't care about information, how everything is going. And such people, politics, fundamental catch just will catch them. Fundamental analysis will just catch them. News will just catch them because the only thing they are after is the news. I mean, is the terrain to make money. They don't care for the knowledge, what is happening in the space again. Yeah, come in. Right? So they don't care for it. So something that moved to $88,000 and then in 2022, it dropped down to $17,000, right? It moved in 2020 from $3,000 and then it rise towards to 60 something thousand dollars, and then in 2022 again it dropped down to $17,000. So from 2020, 2021 and 2022, that is 3 years in between. 33 years. So 33 years, the bull and the bearish is happening. 2 years, 33 years, the bull and the bear is happening. And this history has been repeating. History has been repeating itself again. Atlanta Network Token 20. Oh, this project is still running. Please, you guys should come and give my airdrop. Guys, so my kucoin link is in the comment section below. You can click on it, subscribe, register, and you are going to be getting some reward. If you're trading on kucoin with my link, you're gonna be getting bonuses and you also get a welcome bonus, right? Thank you. Right, so in 2013, the candlestick open bullish, create another one, and then peak again in 2023, right? And that was how Bitcoin started moving, and Bitcoin moved to $75,000 in 2014. It started moving in 2013, and then in 2014 it started moving, right? In 2013, Bitcoin created a bullish candlestick, and this bullish candlestick continued. It only consolidates here, and then in 2014, the bullish market, the market continued bullish. It come down here and consolidate. It come down here just to respect this key level here, and then bullish continue again. See, This bullish is this bullish. This candlestick is in 2014 still. This one is in 2014. Is in 2015. So in 2015, on 3 month time frame, we have how many candlestick in 2015? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I remember between the bullish and the bearish, the crypto market is taking just 3 years. So the market started bullish in 2013, I mean in 2023, then 2024, and we are in 2025. So expect this market to start dropping any moment from now. That is the reason why I'm telling you that in December I'm selling my bags. In December I'm selling my bag, because if history can repeat several times, then what am I expecting? Like, what am I even expecting? Am I expecting magic? Like, what am I even expecting? Do you understand? So the market started in 2023, then 2024, and then we are in 2025 already. We are in 2025 already. So how this market started from this 20,000, it started moving from $20,000. Then from this $20,000 come to 40 something thousand dollars. Break out here, break out to 60 something thousand dollars. Guys, as a matter of fact, I'm seeing Bitcoin, bro. So from here, Bitcoin will come up here, right? I'm telling you that there is high possibility, very high possibility, Bitcoin is going to come back to $59,000. You guys will say I've said this before, and I'm going to screenshot this and I will post this. I'm going to screenshot this and I will post this. I'm going to screenshot this and I will post this, right? I'm going to post this. So you guys will see that history is going to repeat itself. History is going to repeat itself. No matter what is going to happen, if like let Bitcoin go to what? Let Bitcoin go to how many years? Everything is still going to come down, right? So hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm trying to okay. Let me just leave it. Okay. I'm trying to send it somewhere. Right? Okay. Let me just come down here. And then okay, so let's go back to our analysis, right? But like, do you think this slide is going to oh my gosh, like this needs to complete, right? This needs to complete. My time is going off because my phone is about to off on my laptop. Oh my gosh, can I complete this? Guys, so let's just talk, right? Guys, so you need to understand that the crypto market is actually going to drop. No matter what is going to happen, the crypto market is actually going to drop, right? So according to history, I've traced this and I let you know that history has been repeating itself since Bitcoin started trading on exchanges, or moving in this space on the blockchain, right? So history has been repeating itself and history is going to repeat itself again. So any coin you are holding now, just have it in mind that it can drop any moment from now, right? The coin can drop any moment from now. So you need to be very, very sure of what you are buying. You need to be very, very sure on how you want to hold your coin. You can sell your coin and buy it later when everything calm down, right? So expect it's going to drop down to $71,000 to $59,000. And if you sell your coin during December or after December, you are still going to make you are still going to make money, right? You're still going to make money, and you make profit, and then when the market drop again, you will buy. So that is it. So my laptop is going to on, my phone is going to off. So I'm going to end this live for now. Thank you very much for joining. See you.